Hello and welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to embed stream videos into your PowerApps seamlessly. So stay tuned and let's go to the demo after this short intro. I have navigated to make.powerapps.com. So before I show you how to embed stream videos inside your Power App, I want to tell you that this is a preview feature at the moment and you have to have early access environment to access this feature and use it within your Power App. So let me quickly show you how to create an early access environment. So if you are a Power Platform administrator, you will go to the setting icon from the top right side and then you will click on the Admin Center. From the Admin Center, you need to click on the environment link from the left menu, and here you will see all the environment in your organization listed. So as you can see, this CarePoint environment is a sandbox solution and it has release cycle early. So you need to have environment with the release cycle early to access the preview features. So to create a new environment, I will click on the plus sign, new, and then I will give this environment a name. Just call it test, group, none, and then you have to select a region. So my default region is United Kingdom because I'm based here, but you can see that get new feature early access is disabled for this region. So I need to change this region to United States, for example, and then you can enable your early access features. You can set that to yes. You can select the type of your environment and then you can add some description if you like. You can also add a Dataverse data store if you are working with the Dataverse as well. So you can set that to yes. If you want to do pay as you go subscription with Azure, you can change this to yes. I won't create a new environment at the moment because I already have it, so I will cancel it. But once you will create the environment, it will appear here and it should say release cycle early. Now let's go back to the Power Apps. From the left hand menu, I will click on create and then I will select a blank app. I will select the blank canvas app option and click on create. I will give this app a name. I will just call it embed stream video. And once I'm done with the name, I can select the format, it's a tablet or phone format, and then I can click on create. Now I have a blank canvas app. So let's add the stream video inside the Power App now. I will navigate to this top menu and I will go to this insert drop down, and then as you can see there are some preview controls are available. So if I go down and look under media, I can see there is a stream preview control is available. I will select that. Okay, so this control is there but it's empty. On the right hand side, you can see we need to provide the URL value. So let's go to the stream and get the URL for one of the video which we can display here. So I'm back to office.com. From the app launcher, I will click and I will select stream. This will navigate me to all the stream videos available for me. So I can see there are few stream videos where I have access to. So for example, this is the video I want to embed inside the Power App. So usually what you will do is you will click on the three dots and click on share and copy link. You will go to Power App Studio, go to the stream control, select that control. From the right hand menu, you just paste that link here. But once you do that, you will get an error saying that invalid stream URL, which means the Power Apps did not like the URL we have provided. So let's go back to stream. So provide the URL for the stream control. We need to get the link in a different way. So I will click on this video. So what we need to do is from the right hand corner, you can see this share drop down. I need to select that and I need to click embed code. This will provide the code for this video to embed in any web page. We need to take the link from this embed code starting from HTTPS and just before and embed text. This will be the URL we need. So we'll select that and then we'll copy it. Let's go back to the Power App now. And now if I remove this URL and then if I insert this URL into the stream URL property of the stream control in Power App, you will see it start showing the video here. Now you can see the stream video is showing inside your Power App. When I was doing a trial on this one, even when I put the URL in this format, sometimes it throws the same error saying that it is an invalid URL. In that case, you should save the changes, close the app and open the app again, and then you should be able to see the stream video. Because this is the preview features and it's not fully tested and live yet, you could see these problems. But anyway, now you have a stream video within Power App using just a simple trick how to get the URL for that video. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on embedding stream videos into your Power Apps. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. If you have any question or need further assistance, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Until next time, happy app building.